morning, my people. Good morning, our followers, our fans all over the world. Ndị na-eche anyị, ndị na-eche ka video anyị drop, ndị na-support anyị. Yeah, kebu na watch and anyị abịakwala ọrụ as usual. N'ụbọchị ọma nke a dị otu a. Time check is 7 minutes to 11, and today is Thursday, the 28th day of March 2024. I report to a road a na-akpọ Abak road. Abak road, Abak Owerri road. You can see the popular Abak Owerri road. This road, here road in the big man. Let me use that word. Only one bed here. If you are fortunate, so if you are lucky enough, you will all it takes in here. So in bids to bring in development in all the new campaign of the state, our governor during his one of the roads in the flag up Abak road, not only Abak road and its environs, all the adjoining roads up the Enitonia Hotel and all the adjoining roads. So Oro Taylor and Oro Wella Chef. So we will bring in to your notice what these guys are doing so far, so good. So first come to first. Oruni Nanaru, when we two drainage system, well organized and well in order. So Oruhani, so imana Oru put drainage na channel here. You can't just put in drainage without channeling them properly. So oya we here na these areas we be development, the speed fellow break. Now even at this Abak road, you can be rest assured that for you to have a property here, maybe in a 3 square mil, or let us go out with you for. So we'll be taking our time to show you within the shop. Just stay tuned for more. As I told you guys previously, not only Abak road, all the adjoining roads, the face salad market, salad market also we are tagged, but these are the internal roads. Popular condition are the popular Abak Owerri roads, and those people are going outside the Enitonia Hotel. So we'll be taking our time to show you guys what the contractors are doing already, and I'm assuring you that when completed, it got happy. Even property or in a plan, if it's table or in a plan, it may invest in all this area. It got very, very proud and also happy for what our governor, Dr. Otti, we are able to achieve within a space of 10 months in office as the executive governor of Abak State. In our watch Kebu TV, wherever you are seeing us, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and also good night, depending the time this video came to your notice. And as I told you, today is Thursday, the 28th day of March 2024. Kebu is reporting along. This is Abak axis. Abak here in Abak road and all the adjoining roads. Southern way, where our governor flagged up the construction in English in Aramaho of all these routes, because I want no rehabilitation. They're gonna have kuruta. When they take kuruta, this place over the years. Now be on the big man be jebin there. Now be on the for the 3 square mil. You can see the type of fraud how I use now area. Mas kamu kebiakwa bia learianya zikwa mbowa zikwa our followers zikwa ndị na-follow anyị ndị na-ahụ ihe anyị na-eme ndị ha na-eme dị mma n'obi ka m zikwa ha within the shop in this very place. So stay tuned while we take you around on a ride. Welcome. Yeah, so my people, my viewers, our subscribers all over the world, here I watch Kebu TV. No here. So as I was just rightly informed that because all them surprised, because of this road we are flagged up during the first time governor flagged some projects in Abak. and other projects that flagged up at the same time has all been completed. It seems that the construction company needed the work are they capable and where the capacity to deliver on this project. So I was just being informed right now that the governor, Dr. Otti, removed the work from them. Napo had the contract. We say show another capable construction company nke mulage mana abo Chinese company, or you can call them CCE. The same people in your this flag of Agara na was it on Kagara na Nonya. Yes, that job. Ero 11.5 kilometer Nonya. Oboro Elua. I was telling you before, I watch Cable TV, and only a responsible government can be able to stand on their word. The construction we are giving out to a company, Amam that had the company, but they were just being economical with the truth in terms of pushing for this conclusion of this project. But I'm happy now to announce to you that the governor, Dr. Otti, put it out from them, stop them from moving forward, and also re-award the contract to a company called CCE, Ghana box Chinese company. Without being told or without wasting much of our time, Ebu Bana was able with a salad market, very close to the popular railway station. So you can see a massive excavation, also the silting of drainages. This is the popular salad market, which I'm telling you. So we'll be taking our time to show you guys more. Even though I have not witnessed a construction before, like this. So we also take our time to take you around for you to see now what Abia is witnessing and what is going to happen so far. And when completed, the type of transformational changes Abia is facing currently are top notch. My brother, my sister, if you are not here, if you never visit Abak before, you feel miss road when you come. So stay tuned on this dial while we take you around and show you what construction looks like. In our watch Cable TV, it's my duty to take you around because this is my land, this is my heritage, this is what I'm passionate of. Here in Bioma, and the Agnezigia, Woto, non-stop. Stay tuned. As I told you guys that if you know go miss road, I'll be taking you on a ride to show you all the nook and crannies of this Abak road and all the adjoining road. I share Abak now, but I share connect even can to Salad Market. From that Salad Market now, we let us head straight to also show you some beautiful, lovely edifices, the type of powerful buildings and Arunoba. So just stay tuned. Kebu has a mission, has a direction, and also a purpose of showcasing Abia to the global community. So as long as you are staying tuned, as long as you're always following us, you have nothing to lose, you have nothing to miss. All the news will be dropping. Today is Thursday, the 28th day of March, 2024, and I know now Ima Bebanabo Abak Road. So just stay tuned. We have a lot to dish out. We have a lot to explain. You can see the lovely, beautiful buildings, a serene environment, peaceful and also lovely place. Just imagine this type of houses not here. You want the roads are good. Maybe imagine after completion how sexy and sweet this place will look. Okay, what do I know? So this is a place you connect water towards the popular Kiwa Hotel, Abu Polam Nishi Hotel, Enitonia Hotel. So this is the coffin of the maybe the drainage with a curve connecting to that, and this place is very, very sizable. So we need to make all this video because I complete also on that. We also need to show the world how this place looks like before the intervention of His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Otti. So you can see some of the trucks belonging to the construction company CCECC and was fully involved in terms of it deliver perfect construction, perfect finishing, and also loving contracts. This is all happening today, Thursday, the 28th day of March 2024, and the cable is reporting from Abak, in the city center of Abak North to be precise. Ebe Anabo, Ebubak connected to Enitonia Hotel. So the drainage has been done before. Maybe the governor now feel that those guys had to fast in delivering this project. Just try to able also. Now construction is not a laughing matter. If you don't have the capacity to do construction works, then you can learn work. So stay tuned. What will show you within the sub. So at this juncture, I believe we are able to show you and also prove to you that our governor, Dr. Alex Chioma Otti, came fully prepared. He's not in this business to look face. He's not in this business to joke with the vote, the expensive vote Abians gave to him. So moving forward, I think you have seen it all, and I promise you guys, especially our followers, our fans, that we will be always be coming around to inspect and also to notify our people with the progress of work being done so far. You are watching Cable TV, and today is Thursday, the 28th day of March 2024. We are reporting along Abak Street in Abak North local government of Abia State, where the governor is connecting and also constructing a very massive road, a very massive adjoining road that connects all the nook and crannies of this environment. Abak Street, this one connected railway, yeah, Salad Market, all bus down to Abak Road, and another one connected to Enitonia Hotel. Yeah, the big man has the one houses or the other live on Kunkum level. So thank you for sticking around. Thank you for your support, and I love you all.